Welcome. In front of me I have REALME X2 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how easy you can turn on always on display. So let's go for the settings. Then you have to go for the display and the brightness. And right now we have to click on always on display, tap on the switcher. And as you can see, it's activated. Here we can change displayed content, and we can also set the schedule time of this always on display. I'm going to turn it off. I always want to get it on my display. Let's go for the mantra and then just try to lock device. And as you can see, here we got our always on display on the screen. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya.